Let's be real. When you think of industry, you probably think of this. Old, gray, and, well, boring. Right?
Wrong. Welcome to Industry 5.0. It's not just about machines, it's about us. It's high-tech, it's green, and it's finally putting people first. But there's a gap. Companies need talent, and we need a way in. That's why we're building Inbound. Experience a career role-playing game where you use inbound digital tools to build a custom job profile avatar, map your expertise, and preview your future career in real time. Want to test drive your career before it even begins? Dive into our interactive scenarios and tackle real-world industry challenges. It's the ultimate way to prep without the pressure. We bridge the gap by empowering your instructors and linking you with industry leaders, ensuring you have a smooth, direct route to the job of your dreams. This isn't just a local thing. We're shaking things up across Finland, Portugal, Greece, Turkey, and Bulgaria. The future of industry is calling. Are you in? Let's get inbound.